Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ether.Fi token. Ticker symbol is Ethfi, Ethfi. Now this token is getting at least two brand new central exchange listings on two very big central exchanges. We're going to go over a few different ways to get this token and the information on the Ether.Fi token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on March 18th. This token will be getting listed on Bitmart and on Kucoin. So it'll be being listed for trading on Bitmart March 18th, 3 p.m. UTC time and noon UTC time on Kucoin. Now this is on the Ethereum blockchain. This is an ERC20 token. You can tell by the name Ethfi. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. Bitmart and Kucoin are not available in everyone's country. So around the same time on the 18th, when this token gets listed on Kucoin and Bitmart, it'll also most likely go over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on Ether.Fi's webpage, which first of all, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there, at Ether_Fi. You will see it has a link to their webpage right there, Ether.Fi. So using the contract address that you'll be able to find on Ether.Fi, you'll be able to trade your ETH for this token. But you will have to wait until the Uniswap pool is announced that it is filled. So I would follow that Twitter right there at Ether_Fi. And like I said, it'll probably be around the same time it gets listed on these exchanges. So you could also download Kucoin or Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Fund that account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section on March 18th and search Ethfi, the ticker symbol, and then buy the token that way. So there's a couple different ways that you can get this token. So you can see their Twitter's doing very well. 59,600 Twitter followers. Blue verified checkmark, 2,800 tweets. It says native liquid restaking on Ethereum. Stake now at app.ether.fi to earn loyalty points and EigenLayer points. And then it says hashtag no cap. That's pretty funny, no cap. So yeah, Ether.Fi, their webpage has information about governance. So airdrops, documentation, forums, voting, token information. There's staker information, roadmap. There's partners section, all sorts of stuff here. So yeah, they have a whole document section here, and you can find that at etherfi.gitbook.io. So Ether.Fi is truly a decentralized staking. Keep your keys, build the network. So they have Discord, Medium, the Twitter you could join, all sorts of different socials. So you could stake with Ether.Fi. We aim to bolster Ethereum's decentralization by simplifying non-custodial staking while recognizing the complexities of staking. We strive to enable participation for all users. Achieving decentralization requires a collective effort with individuals contributing diverse skills to the network. Given this, we have built solutions for users just beginning their Ethereum journey along with the longtime Ethereum contributors. These options are provided below. So you could mint ETH. There's Operation Solo Staker, Bond 2 ETH for a BNFT, and stake a full 32 ETH. So it shows you how to get involved, the steps to mint ETH and all that type of stuff. You can check that out. There's also loyalty points. So loyalty points relate to ETH and WEETH only. And they have badges. So the Ether.Fi badges serve as loyalty point recognition, highlighting accomplishments and contributors of users within the protocol ecosystem. Each badge is uniquely designed for active ETH and WEETH holders. Then we have referrals. So this referral program covers both Ether.Fi and Etherfan. Each 0.1 ETH staked via Ether.Fi or Etherfan earns the person who stakes and the person who referred 100 loyalty points. So there's referrals, badges, loyalty points. There's also integrations. So they're going to be integrated with Pendle, Liquid Lockers, Morpho Blue, Silo, Curve, Balancer, Aura, Maverick, Term Finance, etc. And yeah, then they also have something called Mega Week. Looks like that might be over though. That went till February. And then yeah, so they have frequently asked questions, decentralized applications, bridging. They talk about how to bridge to Arbitrum on their page here. And they have a section specifically about Ether.Fi, and they have a section about Etherfan, which seems to be like a whole other type of project here as well. And so if we can skip to maybe token information on here, they go over ETH staking, ETH restaking, technical docs about that, risk team governance. They have an Etherfan light paper. On their webpage, I believe you can just click on Ethfi. So yeah, it says become part of the DAO and shape the future of Ether.Fi. You can vote on proposals, join the forum. So the token utility, influence token utility and design, ongoing growth, contribute to the growth and development of Ether.Fi, and there's treasury decisions all within this DAO here. And they have Gitbook, white paper, Medium articles, all sorts of information on here. Medium articles most likely will have something specifically about this token drop as well on Kucoin and Bitmart. So you can check that out. Staking just became better is one article. And there's an ambassador program article, solo staking, loyalty points article. And yeah, anyways, you can check all this info out on their webpage and on their light papers document sections. So just go to Ether.Fi and eventually you'll be able to get this token off Uniswap or Bitmart or Kucoin. So stay tuned for all of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.